how to determine whether one variable causes another. For example, imagine that you want to determine whether fire causes smoke or the other way around. Let's see if observation helps. For example, we record a number of observations of fire and smoke, or we just recall from our memory. Then we know that if we observe fire, the probability of observing smoke increases compared to where there is no fire. But the same goes with smoke. If we observe smoke, the probability of observing fire somewhere increases compared to when there is no smoke. So, correlation or even probabilistic dependence does not imply causation. So, how to identify causality? The idea is to perform an experiment and intervene on the variables. By a perfect intervention on a variable, z, we mean to force it to some fixed value, denoted by the so-called do operator. Then P of y, given do of z, is the probability of y, given that the value of z is forced, whereas P of y, given z, is the probability of y, given that we see or observe z. Now back to our smoke fire example. If we manually create smoke by a capsule of COx gas, that is to do smoke, or if we prevent smoke by causing a suction, that is to do not of smoke, the probability of fire does not change. But if we manually make fire, the probability of smoke increases compared to when we prevent it by, for example, spraying water. From this experiment, we can conclude that fire causes smoke. In general, if two interventions of a variable z result in different conditional distributions of y, we conclude z causes y.